Multifunctional electric nail drill kit. This nail drill is equipped with a 20,000 RPM powerful rotating motor and 6 kinds of metal nail drill bits. The electric nail file can be used for all-round shaping, polishing, sanding, gel nail removal, acrylic nails, spotlight nails, artificially lengthening nails, thick nails, fake nails, and dead cuticles. Low noise, low heat, low vibration. This electric nail file has a powerful motor. The machine runs smoothly with low heat, low noise and low vibration. Keep your manicure safe and efficient. Please take a break after using it for 20 minutes. Adjustable speed and direction. This electric nail drill is equipped with a rotary button to control the speed of 0 to 20,000 revolutions per minute, and the nail drill body can be converted at any angle. It is suitable for professionals and beginners. Compact electric drilling file. Our nail drill has a mini and lightweight design that makes it easy to carry. It will start to work when the base of the nail drill connects to a power source. This electric nail drill kit includes a handle holder. You can perform manicures anytime, anywhere. Professional nail drill kit. The electric nail file is designed with 6 optional standard metal drill bits, 6 sanding belts and beauty handle holder for sanding, suitable for engraving, cutting, polishing and cuticle removal for all nail art. Our perfect kit is designed for you to create beautiful nails. Top reviews from the United States. Beginner friendly. I like that I was able to use this product to cut down on my old gel polish and also sharpening my acrylic press on nails. I didn't like the fact that the attachment would come out sometimes, not often but some.